Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Hello friends. Today we are doing another plan with me because I want to set up next week's spread. Okay, so we are going to set up the week of August 28th through September the 3rd. My mom's birthday is on the 28th and I want to dedicate this spread to her. She passed away in 2017, so I want to honor her and in my planner. So let me show you what kit I'm gonna use. Okay, all right, so we're gonna use this OK Plants Mother's Day kit. I'm not gonna use the Mother's Day sticker, this one right here, but I'm gonna use the rest. So let's get some washi first of all to cover this hideous red box. Oh my gosh, I really like this Hobonichi cousin, but I don't like the, okay, no flowers because I have flowers in the kit, but I don't like that, the red thing. I need to cover that because this washi is not gonna cover it. I have this Mono Tombow whiteout that my cousin sent me. Thank you, cousin, because I didn't have any more. All right, so we cover that. Do you guys think the leopard is gonna look good with this, or should I stick to this right here? Oh, I need my reading glasses, you guys. I can't see anything. Okay, there we go. Perfect. I am loving this little kits from OK Plants. I feel that they are just perfect for the cousin. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good because we can see the gold. The only thing that I'm missing is more boxes. So I'm gonna order some boxes. So on the next release, I will order. So now I made the mistake of not ordering my fall kits, and by the time I get home, I think it's gonna be, well, I'm gonna get home like the first week in September. So I don't know, you guys. I think I'm late now. So let's get some numbers. I love this book. This is from the Happy Planner, and I purchased this on clearance, or not clearance, but on discount at Michael's. It's very hard to see the numbers because I picked this clear day dots, but I think we're fine. We should be okay. All right, now let's divide our page down here. And oh, I have a thinner one of this. Let's see. I'm gonna try to make this video under 20 minutes because my last video, my last plan with me was like 32 minutes or something like that, something crazy like that, and is getting no views. So if you have time, I would love for you to check out that video or any of my videos. And if you have time to like and subscribe, I will love you forever. My channel is a hot mess express because we'll do this right here, because I am not consistent, and that throws the whole YouTube situation off, and then my videos don't get promoted or nothing. So I decided, you guys, that I will start a upload schedule. So from now on, you will be able to watch my videos on, oh my gosh, what oh. You'll be able to watch my videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, or not be able to watch. That's gonna be my upload schedule, okay? So my new videos are gonna come out on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturdays. And I think, and I'm hoping actually that that's gonna be a good schedule, and that I can keep some type of a routine, so I can accomplish a little bit more on my channel. I'm really close to 3,000 subscribers, but my videos are not going anywhere because I am not consistent. So I know that, and I need to change that. Okay, let me see, you guys. What did I do? 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3 here. I think that's where it goes. One and 2, yes. Okay. So I think that's gonna work. I'm hoping that's gonna work, and we'll see. Hopefully you guys can watch my videos and support my channel, and I appreciate every single comment, every single like, every single view. I've been at this since 2000 actually. Yeah, for my birthday I created my channel and I uploaded my first video. So that's 2.5 years now. All right, so let's do what we do best. Oh, I forgot. You know what? I forgot I need my boxes here, my boxes. Oh my gosh. I think we're gonna do this one here. This is so cute. Yeah. Oh, should I do on the side? I'm starting to look for my 2024 planner, you guys. At first I thought I was gonna use this. Oh, no, this is too small. I want the bigger ones. Hold on, I'm sorry. This is gonna go somewhere else. Hold, please. What was I saying? Okay, so I am starting to look into my planner for next year. I know a lot of people already pre-order, like the sterling ink. I think I'm gonna purchase the undated common planner just to try it out for next for October, November, December. Yeah, for the last 3 months of the year. And I think yeah, I want to try that and see if it's gonna work for me. There's a couple of things that I like about that planner, even though I haven't tried it yet. I don't own it, so I want to give it a try. My weekly setup is pretty much the same. We're keeping track of YouTube and Instagram, and we're keeping track of lunches and dinners. Okay, so that's the bottom part. Now we're gonna use a box up here. I think I want to use this yellow box. Yeah, and we're going to get work schedule here. So this is our last week here. We are going home at the end of this week, and yay, we'll be home in September. I'm so excited. My husband's excited. Our daughter's excited for that. So Saturday and Sunday. Okay, a little tight there, but it's fine. All right, perfect. Now on this column we are going to keep track of my H2O and exercise. Oh, you know what? Let me get the pink. So cute. Okay, so this one, let's do agua. So this is for my water intake, and this is for the gym. Okay, That looks good. Now let's decorate this upper here. This box. I kind of want to cover the whole thing. Let's see if I can. Okay, that's good. And I'm sorry if the AC is it's distracting you guys, but I need it. It's so hot here, and also my stomach has been bothering me, so I'm drinking a kind of the dry ginger ale, because I don't know, sorry, but 7-Up and ginger ale is like the best thing for like I don't have an upset stomach, it's just like I'm not digesting my food or something. It's just, yeah, not good. Let's do, you know what? Okay, now for my mom's birthday is right here. So, we have to do our top 3. Okay, so top 3 over here. Let's do this. Chiquita, ¿qué estás haciendo, mami? She's so quiet, she's doing something. You know. Okay, so for my mommy's birthday, I need to find a happy birthday sticker. I don't know if you know what, I feel like this is too big here. 1 second. Yeah. So we're gonna add the smaller one and then do a happy birthday situation here. There we go. And you know what? I want to use the stickers right here. Okay, and payday is gonna be on the 1st. There we go. Look at this planner, you guys. So cute. It's so tiny. It's so little tiny. Okay. So let's do right here 8.5. This kit is so pretty. So gorgeous. Okay, so I think the only ones I'm not going to use is going to be this mom, the payday, because we only have one. So we'll keep that. This big mom one. Maybe I should have put it here instead of that. No, I like that one there. This one. And I think we are set. Now I have to put the dots for my top 3, okay? So let me do that. I'll be right back. All right, friends, so I think we're set for the week. Now the last thing that I want to add is the cherry on top, which is gonna be the vellum. I don't think I'm gonna add vellum to every single week in my planner, but for special weeks like this, like, you know, remembering my mom's birthday, my anniversary and stuff like that, you know, special occasions, I will add vellum. So I have this, that is so cute. I have this gift boxes here, but I don't know if they match. This ones don't match. This is for another kit that I purchased from Oki, and this is for another kit. Okay, so it's in between this right here or this hearts. I think the black hearts are gonna be better. Yeah, I think. And look what I did. I started painting them on the back. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but I think this is gonna work. Let me cut this vellum and I'll be right back. At first I was thinking I was gonna use this leopard washi to tip it in, but from my previous plan with me, I discovered that it covers too much of my page. So we're just gonna do clear tape. All right, so I'm just gonna do one piece in the middle, and that's all. Hold on, let me open the door. Okay, friends, so just a little bit of tape. Chiquita, please. Estate en paz. Oh, did I do this on the right side or the wrong side? Oh no, this is right. Where is my washi cutter? There you go, washi card. Okay, okay, let's see. Make sure it's all the way in, and there you go. You know what, I might have to add one more piece. Oh, I put the sticker too far. Let me move it. Let me add a little bit more tape actually. One second. All right, friends, so this is it. Look at how pretty it turned out. It's simple. Oh, you know what, let me add something here. What do we have that we can add here? This one. Maybe we'll switch this one out. Yeah. This one here. This one here. Okay, yeah, because it was a little empty down here. Okay, friends, so I hope that you can see there. I know my angle is terrible, but yeah, we're gonna fix that in about 2 weeks. All right, so this is the week of August 28th through September the 3rd. I used Oki Plan's Mother's Day kit, and this vellum from, I don't know where this is from, Michael's or Joann's, one of the two, or Hobby Lobby, I don't know, one of those stores. And I feel like it just turned out so pretty, and I have plenty of room to do everything I need to do. All right, friends, I'm gonna keep this video as short as possible. I'll leave you a discount code so you can use it at Oki's website. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and like always, I will see you on the next one. Bye.